Welcome to Bike Zone Pro, your go-to destination for all things motorcycles. Today, we are reviewing the much-awaited 2025 Kawasaki KX 500, a legendary motocross bike that's back with modern upgrades. Known for its raw power and off-road dominance, the 2025 version brings improved performance, handling, and style. Let's get started. Design and styling. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 500 retains its aggressive motocross styling, featuring a sleek and lightweight frame for enhanced agility. Its bold green and black color scheme, sharp body panels, and new graphics give it a modern, race-ready look. The slim design improves rider movement and control during high-intensity off-road rides, while the updated ergonomics ensure a comfortable grip and better stability. Engine and performance. At the heart of the KX 500 is its powerful 499 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine. Tuned for maximum torque and explosive power delivery, this engine is built for competitive motocross riders. Paired with a 5-speed transmission, the 2025 KX 500 delivers smooth gear shifts and quick acceleration. Kawasaki has also worked on reducing vibration and improving throttle response for a more refined ride. Suspension and handling. The bike features fully adjustable Showa front forks and a uni-track rear suspension, providing superior shock absorption and control on rough terrains. The lightweight frame and improved chassis geometry ensure better cornering stability and balance. With its high ground clearance and optimized weight distribution, the KX 500 handles jumps, turns, and obstacles effortlessly. Technology and safety. For 2025, Kawasaki has introduced an upgraded braking system with disc brakes on both ends for reliable stopping power. The bike also features advanced traction control, giving riders more confidence on slippery surfaces. The digital instrument display provides essential information like gear position and lap time, keeping riders informed during races or training sessions. Conclusion. The 2025 Kawasaki KX 500 is a powerhouse designed for serious off-road enthusiasts and motocross riders. With its unmatched performance, superior handling, and race-inspired design, this bike is ready to dominate the track. Thanks for watching Bike Zone Pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more motorcycle reviews. See you on the next ride.